Start up on the stands. Under orders, and away they jump out a bit sluggish at the start, losing nearly 3 lengths at the start was La Biona. And Super Cool shooting into the lead by about 3 in front of Big Boss, Laughing Eyes already under the pump. Then on the outside is Emerald Touch. And close to the fence is Classic Wish. The one on making rapid progress is Kohinoor Adira along with Star Sensation. Another length and a half behind is Overshadow. August Kranti, the one on the outside is In Reality. And then comes towards the La Biona on the outside towards the fence is Arithmetic. And True Scholar is last. And back to the lead is Super Cool, enjoying the lead of about 2 lengths in front of Big Boss in pursuit. Another 3 to 4 lengths behind there is Emerald Touch, followed by Laughing Eyes as they stride past the 600-meter mark and start negotiating the turn. Towards the fence is Star Sensation. August Kranti taking the turn 8 deep as they enter the straight. Classic Wish holding the fence. Then there is Overshadow, followed by Kohinoor Adira, Arithmetic, but inside the last 350 now. And Super Cool now being pushed to the front by about 2.5 in front of Classic on the one on the outside. There is Big Boss hard at work to bridge the gap, furlong to go, and Super Cool still holding on by a length in front of Big Boss on the outside. Looming large on the outside is Big Boss. It's going to be Big Boss. Big Boss surges into the lane by a length and a half in front of Super Cool. Tame third was Laughing Eyes. They followed then by Overshadow. Then came Emerald Touch, close between August Kranti and Arithmetic. Then came